Hello and welcome back to my video classes. In this class we're going to be looking at 10 different ways to describe heavy rain in English. And as you know, it does rain a lot in England, so I think this will be particularly helpful for you guys to be able to express yourself better when talking about heavy rain. In English we call this a puddle. Pronunciation: puddle, puddle. It's what we get after it's been raining very heavily. We get some water on the floor. Normally it's quite a big amount of water on the floor. So the first expression I have for you for heavy rain is throwing it down. Throwing it down. Again, throwing it down. Heavy, heavy, heavy rain. Really heavy. Again, throwing it down. Number 2 is tipping it down. Tipping it down. Same thing, talking about heavy rain. Very, very heavy. The rain is really coming down hard, so we say it's tipping it down. Okay, number 3 is chucking it down. Chucking it down. Again, chucking it down. Chucking it down. When the rain is very heavy. Chucking it down. Number 4 is pouring down. Pouring down. Pouring down. Number 5, it's raining cats and dogs. Now this is actually called an idiom. Idioms in English are always important because they have got a different meaning. They are words that are grouped together and have got a different meaning to the overall phrase. So it doesn't mean it's actually raining cats and dogs. No, it just means it's, raining very heavily. Raining cats and dogs. Number 6 is hammering it down. It's hammering it down. Hammering it down. Number 7 is pissing it down. Pissing it down. This is a little bit rude because it means going to the toilet, So pissing it down. It's pissing it down. Number 8 is bucketing it down. Bucketing it down. Bucketing it down. Number 9. Now, torrential. The pronunciation is quite difficult here. Torrential. Torrential. There is torrential rain. It's raining so heavily. Torrential. 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 Finally, number 10, downpour. Downpour. There's been a sudden downpour and it's raining very heavily. So this means there's been a sudden burst of heavy rain and it's come unexpected. There's been a downpour of rain today. Downpour. So I hope that's been helpful talking about heavy rain in English, and I will see you in the next video.